Hey, good afternoon everybody. Today's video is unboxing a ZUMA Light Kit. I'm trying to improve my videos. My videos have shadows, lighting's weird, so I'm going to try to make them better, but I don't know anything about lighting. I've gone online, I've read about the umbrellas and the soft boxes, 1 light, 2 lights, 3 lights. My Lord, you end up spending thousands trying to buy what you think is going to help you out. So I went with a basic kit. It's a ZUMA kit. Came with 2 lights, 2 umbrellas, 2 LEDs, 2 remotes, and a nice carry bag. So let's unbox this and shed some light on the whole light kit process. So here's what you're going to get. You get 2 6-foot telescopic poles for the lights, 2 umbrellas, 2 assemblies to hold the bulb in the umbrella, 2 light bulbs, and 2 remotes, although 1 remote will work both bulbs. And the remote distance is short, so if you have the lights spread apart, if you want to change one and not the other, it's pretty easy not to change both at the same time. And a great carrying bag. This actually exceeds my expectations. All right, we'll set this up and go through the light modes to let you know what you're getting. This is the remote control. You got the power button. The auto button, I believe, sets a timer. They'll automatically shut off after so much time. The spare, I have not figured that out yet. CCT plus and minus, that's your correlated color temperature. Minus makes it warm, plus makes it cool. So warm is your yellow, red, orange colors, where the plus is your whiter, bluer light. LM plus and minus, that's lumens, basically a dimmer for brightness up and down. That center button is a night light. You push that and it's reduced intensity light. It's got preset 20, 50, 100% for illumination. And then you've got 3 presets for warm light, natural light, white light. And no matter which one you choose, warm, natural, or white, that CT plus and minus will allow you to scan up and down through the whole light range, whether it's warm, natural, or white. Well, let's fire these up and see how they work. Okay, both lights are off. Now I'm standing right next to both. This remote's directional, so I'll turn this one on, turn that one on. Okay, this is warm light. Now we'll go to natural light, white light, night light. So I'll put this one on warm, and I'll hit 20%, 50%, 100%. Same with the natural light, 20, 50, 100. White light, 20, 50, 100. Now I'm going to go to warm light, and I'm going to use the CT plus button. And you can see it goes all the way up to white light. So it's kind of like infinitely adjustable between the low and high color temperatures. And the LM plus and minus just dims whatever mode you have it in already. So I'll put it in warm light, and I'll just go bright to dim. All right, let me sit on the couch and I'll run through these different color temperatures and see how it views differently for a video. I have no lights on in this room. It's just sunlight coming in through windows. So now we're going to turn on the umbrellas. Okay, that's warm light. Next we'll do natural light. Natural light. Hey, I want a beer. This is natural light, full bright. Next will be white light. All right, this is white light, full bright. I actually can see the blue. I can see the yellow, red, orange in the warm light, and I can see the blue in the white light. All right, we'll do night light. This is the night light setting. All right, we're going to go back to natural light, 100%. That's 100% natural. We'll do 50. That's 50% natural. We'll do 20. That's 20% natural. All right, we'll go back to warm light. This is warm light 100. We'll do warm light 50. That's warm light 50. We'll do warm light 20. That's warm light 20. All right, we'll go back to 100. Now we'll do natural. Natural light 100. Natural light. Hold on. I don't have a natural light, but I get a nice icy cold Stella Artois. Boy, are these good. You know, I bought a light kit hoping I would pick out something that was useful. I picked it with adjustable lights because I didn't know what I was looking for. So if you're going to get yourself a light kit, get something basic to start with, because I don't know what I'm doing. This is all experimental. So I'm glad I picked a light kit that actually had adjustable lights, because there is a big difference between warm light, white light, natural light, and I'm not a professional. But between warm light and white light with that CT function, I'll be able to tweak it to whatever I need or whatever I want. So, hey, I hope this helps somebody out trying to buy themselves some lighting for videos or photography. So, cheers with a nice cold Stella Artois. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Ah.